At LIH, Lycée International de Houston, school life is more than just academics. It's about support, connection, and inspiration every single day. Our team speaks multiple languages, helping us build strong relationships with our diverse student community. Together, we create experiences that provide social, emotional, and physical growth so every student can shine. From ballet and robotics to soccer and coding, every student explore their interests, discover new talents, and build lifelong friendships. Beyond the classroom, we bring families together through exciting events and programs that support our LIH community. Because when children feel a sense of belonging, they thrive. Have ideas or questions? Let's talk. Together we're building a school life full of opportunity, growth, and joy for your child. At LIH, we're creating a place where students can thrive academically, socially, and beyond. We can't wait to see how your child will grow and shine.